fully automatic thread cutting machine. Fully automatic operation. With just one key press, the machine automatically performs clamping, cutting in, threading, and cutting out, truly freeing the operator from any manual tasks. Precision and consistency. Whether it is numerical control or mechanical control, it is essential to ensure that the thread depth and taper of each pipe are exactly the same, thereby eliminating any potential risks of leakage. High efficiency and high productivity. The speed is several times that of traditional equipment, enabling it to easily meet the needs of large-scale projects. Applicable to fire protection pipelines, gas pipelines, water and electricity installation, projects, and all other scenarios where high-quality threaded connections are required.